4 more guns seized by the Jamaica Constabulary Force throughout the course of this week. The first seizure occurred on Sunday, March 27th. In that incident, the Kingston Eastern Police seized a Taurus .45mm pistol with a magazine containing 4 rounds of ammunition during a targeted raid on Lower York Street in Franklin Town. The second weapon was seized on Tuesday, March 29th, when the Westmoreland Police seized an M16 rifle with a magazine containing 13 5.56 rounds of ammunition during an operation in the Little London Police area about 5:40 p.m. The third seizure occurred on Thursday, March 31st, when the St. Catherine South Police, assisted by the JDF, seized a Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 8 rounds of ammunition in the Old Harbour Bay area. 2 men were taken into custody. The fourth weapon, another rifle, was seized on Friday, April 1st, when the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force seized an M16 rifle with 2 magazines and 10 5.56 rounds of ammunition during a targeted raid in Petersfield, Westmoreland.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!